I want to share with you a very effective, if not the best remedy for bloating, which just happens to be also the most effective detoxifier in the world. So this remedy not only helps you with bloating, but gas, belching, feeling nauseous, diarrhea, headaches, food poisoning, stomach acidity problems, detox reaction after trying something new. Like a lot of times people will do some herbal remedy or detox and all of a sudden they feel sick. So this is a great remedy for that. Also, it works for bad breath. And the remedy is called activated charcoal. Now, I'm not talking about the charcoal that you use in your grill outside. Okay, don't take that. I'm talking about a different type of charcoal that you can get as a remedy in the health food store. But the remedy charcoal has been used for a very, very long time. In fact, there's one reference that I will put down below of someone using it in 234 BC. Charcoal has a long history of helping certain farm animals. So if an animal like a cow had some type of digestive distress from an infection, they use charcoal. Charcoal has also been found to increase milk production, probably because its influence on helping balance the pathogens from the friendly bacteria. I mean, if you think about it, if you have a water filter in your house, you have charcoal in there, right? As one layer, or it might be the whole filter. What is that charcoal doing? Well, that's what I want to talk about. So here we have a sponge, and here we have a magnet, okay? Now, charcoal works not by absorbing something, it works by adsorption, okay? Adsorption, if I can pull this magnet out, it's really strong. You can see that it works by binding to something, and it helps remove this particle. And that could be some poison, toxin, protein. It could be a gas. It could be some type of waste. But it's also a good thing if you're being poisoned from, if you have this reaction from a medication. So let's say, for example, you're taking several medications at once and you feel toxic. You can take charcoal to actually make you feel a lot better. I'm being kind of funny with medications, but they are kind of poisons in less concentrated amounts. If you think about it, the third leading cause of death behind heart disease and cancer is iatrogenic diseases. That is death caused by physician errors. Now, it could be surgeries, but 30% of that category is medication errors. Charcoal is interesting because it has all these little crevices and cracks, which means it has a very, very, very large surface area. Like 1 cubic centimeter of charcoal has the surface area, if you unfold it, to 1,000 square meters. That is a crazy large surface area. So charcoal has this electrostatic, kind of a magnetic property to bind with different things. So when you take it, it can diminish toxins and also gases and all sorts of things that are making you feel not good. So how much do you take? Well, I would just read what it says in the back of the label and follow those directions depending on what type of charcoal you get. Now, since we're on the topic of a remedy, realize that just charcoal is only treating the symptom, but it's a natural way of treating the symptom. There's usually something else causing your bloating, your gas, your nauseous feeling, your headaches, etc. And I created a really good video on this topic that got millions of views relating to the digestive system and bloating. And if you haven't seen this video, it would be a very important video to watch. Check it out right here.